This is Dr. Hobbolt, and I'm going to help you with this problem. We have those ropes that we saw in the previous problem, and it says the equations question mark times 3 and 9 divided by 3 equals question mark can be used to answer a question about rope C and rope D. What could the question be? So first let's think about what these equations mean. Let's say that we had no context and we just saw these equations somewhere. How could we already interpret these? Well, this equation, question mark times 3 equals 9, let me go ahead and divide this out. It might ask how many groups of 3 are in 9. Same thing for the division equation actually. So this one also asks how many groups of 3 are in 9. So if we think about how many groups of 3 are in 9, then what questions would we be asking about rope C and rope D? Rope C is, let's just double check that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units long. Yes, rope C is 9 units long. Rope D is 3 units long. So when we say how many groups of 3 are in 9, what are we asking? Well, what we're asking is rope C is how many times as long as rope D. So rope C is how many times as long as rope D. Or if you're watching and listening to this video, you could say how many groups of rope D fit into rope C. And you can also raise your hand and tell me that you deserve some hero points for engage, for watching and listening to the video. Now let's look at the next question. We have the equations question mark times 9 equals 3 and 3 divided by 9 equals question mark. And again, we want to see what the question is that we could ask about rope C and rope D. Well, these equations ask how many groups of 9 are in 3. So what's the question we can ask about the ropes? If we're thinking from how many groups of 9 are in 3, we're asking rope D is how many times as long as rope C. Because we're asking how many groups of rope C fit into rope D. So we would say rope D is how many times as long as rope C. Alright, so thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.